Hello, I'm Elton Robinson with your October 6th grain and oilseed update. Let's begin with USDA's October crop production estimates, which were released Wednesday. Corn production is forecast at 15.1 billion bushels, up 11% from last year, but down slightly from the September forecast. Based on conditions as of October 1st, yields are expected to average 173.4 bushels per acre, down 1 bushel from the September forecast, but up 5 bushels from 2015. If realized, this will be the highest yield and production on record for the United States. Corn yield projections are down a few bushels for last month in the Mid-South. Arkansas yields are projected at 178 bushels per acre, Louisiana 168 bushels, Mississippi 167 bushels, and Tennessee 148 bushels. U.S. soybean production is forecast at a record 4.27 billion bushels, up 2% from September and up 9% from last year. Yields are expected to average a record 51.4 bushels per acre, up 0.8 of a bushel from last month and up 3.4 bushels from last year. Area for harvest is forecast at a record 83 million acres, up slightly from September and up 2% from 2015. Grain sorghum production is estimated at 466.6 million bushels. Rice production is forecast at 2.36 million hundredweight, a 44 million hundredweight increase over last year. Peanut production is estimated at 6.3 billion pounds compared to 6 billion last year. And now for highlights on exports from USDA. The summary is for the period September 30th through October 6th. Wheat exports of 378,000 metric tons were down 46% from the previous week and from the prior 4-week average. Primary destinations were Japan, Mexico, Indonesia, Brazil, and Yemen. Corn exports of 1.25 million metric tons were down 10% from the previous week and 2% from the prior 4-week average. Customers included Mexico, Japan, South Korea, Peru, and Saudi Arabia. Grain sorghum exports of 64,000 metric tons were reported to China, Japan, and Mexico. Rice exports of 93,000 metric tons were down 3% from the previous week, but up 40% from the prior 4-week average. Honduras, Colombia, Libya, South Korea, and Mexico were destinations. Soybean exports of 1.56 million metric tons were reported to China, Mexico, South Korea, Bangladesh, and Japan. Beef exports of 14,000 metric tons were up 3% from the previous week, but down 5% from the prior 4-week average. The primary destinations were Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Mexico, and Taiwan. Pork exports of 19,000 metric tons were down 8% from the previous week, but up 3% from the prior 4-week average. The primary destinations were Mexico, Japan, Canada, South Korea, and Hong Kong. Well, that's it for this week's report. I'm Elton Robinson. See you next time.